Good morning, very good morning to all of you. So today you can see that today I will be taking your English text class, and the chapter I will start today, that is the tiger and the mosquito. Okay, the tiger and the mosquito. So open page number 91 of your Marigold book, and at the upper part of your desktop or phone you can see the grid view where you are doing. At the upper part you can see, at the upper bar. Okay, so today I will do the tiger and the mosquito. Yeah, so let's today I will just read the story, and also I will write some spellings. You will practice those at home. Okay, now let's read the story. A tiger was dozing under a tree. A tiger was dozing under a tree. Dozing means kind of a half sleep. He was just in half asleep. That the tiger was dozing under a tree. So where the tiger was dozing? The tiger was dozing under a tree. Okay. The tiger was dozing under a tree, and a mosquito came buzzing by. A mosquito came buzzing by. So, who came then? A mosquito. A mosquito. Zareen, I have said that all of you, I am saying that please do the grid view. Who maybe you are not having the you have not done the grid view of your mobile or your desktop or laptop, from whichever you are doing the class, then do the grid view and then you can see the board clearly. Okay. The mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." So then the tiger said to the mosquito to go away. But the mosquito replied, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." So the mosquito is not afraid of the tiger. The tiger was angry now. So the tiger was very angry now. He hit out with his paw. So he tried to hit the mosquito with his paw. Paw means, you can see the palm of his legs. Paw means the palm of his legs, we can say. Now turn to the next page. The mosquito flew off. So when the tiger hit out with his paw, the mosquito flew off. The paw struck his own cheek. So in this time, when he tried to hit out the mosquito, he hits his own cheek. The paw struck his own cheek. The blow scraped his cheek. It began to bleed. So the tiger hit out so hard that his own cheek began to bleed. The mosquito buzzed away. Now the mosquito buzzed away, but he had not gone away. He was just buzzing around the tiger. The tiger struck with his own paw. Now the tiger hit out with his another paw. Okay. So to just get off from the mosquito. The mosquito flew off. This time also mosquito flew off. This time too he hit himself. Okay. This time too he hit himself. The mosquito, this time also, whenever he tried to hit the mosquito, he hits himself, and this time too he hit himself. The tiger was helpless. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. Now he hit out his two cheeks, and now the tiger felt so helpless, but the mosquito continued to buzz. He had not gone anywhere else, but he continued to buzz around the tiger. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. Now the tiger, feeling so helpless that he got up and quietly walked away. He has now nothing to do and he has just quietly walked away. The mosquito called out after him. Now the mosquito, what the mosquito was saying, let's see. The mosquito called out after him, "Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." Now the mosquito was saying to the tiger, "Don't be proud all the time because your size is big. You are the tiger and I am the mosquito. I have very small size. That doesn't mean I am a small." So he was saying that, "Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." So this lesson the mosquito has given to the tiger. Everyone is great in his own way. Okay. So and the writer of this story is Mrinalini Srivastava. All of you remember this name. Mrinalini Srivastava. Srivastava. So the writer of this story is Mrinalini Srivastava. All of you remember this name. Okay. So I have completed the story and now let's proceed towards the spellings. I will write the spellings. All of you will write in your copy and keep practicing. Okay. You can see the board now. Okay, now you can see. Very good. Now I will write the spellings. All of you will write it in your copy. Okay. I am erasing the board now. First spelling is all of you will write it in your copy, okay? First spelling is dozing. D-O-Z-I-N-G, dozing. Second spelling is buzzing. B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G, buzzing. Okay, all of you will write it carefully without making any mistake. Third spelling is mosquito. Fourth spelling is tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Number fifth spelling is angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Okay. Fifth number is A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Number 6, hit. H-I-T, heat. All of you will write now. All of you writing now these spellings. Write it down very carefully. Number 6 is hit, H-I-T, hit. Number 7, paw, P-A-W, paw. Number 8, okay, okay. Number 8, that is cheek, C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Number 9, bleed, B-L-E-E-D, bleed, B-L-E-E-D, bleed. And number 10, proud, P-R-O-U-D, proud. Okay. So these 10 spellings you will practice. I am repeating all the spellings again. All of you just don't make any mistake. Okay. Number 1, dozing, D-O-Z-I-N-G, dozing. Number 2, buzzing, B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G, buzzing. Number 3, mosquito, M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Number 4, tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Number 5, angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Number 6, hit, H-I-T, hit. Number 7, paw, P-A-W, paw. Number 8, cheek, C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Number 9, bleed, B-L-E-E-D, bleed. And number 10, proud, P-R-O-U-D, proud. Yes, okay. I can see that you are saying also. So all of you have completed. Just write the spellings very carefully and also you will practice this. Now I will take your present. All of you write P or present in the chat box. Now I will take your present. All of you just write P or present in the chat box and no one will leave until I finish taking present or you will be absent. Yes, I will upload the video, don't worry. Yes, I can see that all of you have written also, completed also the spellings. Very good. Yeah, very good. And today the time is up also, and read this chapter carefully, and the exercises part I will do in your later classes. Okay, and all of you please practice these spellings at your home. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye. All of you bye.